The really bad news coming out of 2011 census is the decline in the child sex ratio, a grim indicator of the continuing preference in India of sons over daughters.
In fact, the numbers are the lowest since independence, and the government has admitted that a total re-look at the policy is urgently needed.
The girl child continues to be at risk. Despite several policies to protect her from harm, the number of girl children below 6 has fallen sharply. According to the 2011 census data, in the last decade alone, the child sex ratio has dipped from 927 to 914 per thousand, the lowest since independence. The total population of children has dipped as well by 5 million. Poor nutrition, healthcare, rising female feticide and overall neglect could be some of the reasons for this drop. But the biggest factor is attitude.
Because of not just feticide or infanticide, girls are dying because they are neglected more. The girls always eat the least and the last, whether they're young babies or older girls. So there is a systematic bias against the girl child which continues from birth to a higher age in terms of neglect of nutrition, and women do have high levels of anemia.
The worst affected areas are Western Maharashtra, Western Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. And even though the sex ratio improved for the adult population from 933 to 940 women per thousand men, experts say there are still millions of women missing.
General sex ratio in the country has gone up from 933 to 940. And thirdly, the child sex ratio, which is a negative feature, which is 927, has gone down to 914. As far as literacy is concerned, it's a positive story where it has gone up from 64.8% to about 74%.
Whatever policies we have been following need a complete review because we are not able to arrest the decline in child sex ratio. And I think that is really the message which whatever measures that have been put into over the last 40 years has not had any impact on child sex ratio, and therefore that requires a complete review. Everything, I mean, the entire gamut of whatever the policy measures, everything has to be relooked at across by all central government and state governments and at the panchayat level.
Though the nation continues to make remarkable progress in many ways, the future of the girl child remains grim. In New Delhi, Mohua Chaudhary for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.